Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to make embed messages on Discord. So just let's start. So first of all open up your Discord application. After opening it, go to your channel setting in which you want to send your embed message and then go to integrations and click on view webhooks and create a new webhook, and after creating a webhook copy webhook URL. And after copying your webhook URL, just go onto your browser and search their Disco hook and click on the first website and open it. After opening it up, just paste your webhook URL here. And after that, click on add embed and just open it up and click on the body section, and in description just write whatever you want, just like I want to write hello, how are you, just like this. And as you guys can see, this is the embed. You guys can also change the color if you want, just like I'm setting it up as red color, and just send it. And as you guys can see, the embed has been sent it, and that's how you guys can easily send embed messages on Discord. Discover the secrets to mastering Discord server creation and bot development with our comprehensive step-by-step course. Elevate your skills and become a Discord expert today. Check out the link in the description to get started. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.